Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through settings on Redmi A3 Pro. So you have to start by opening your settings application, then click on About Phone, and now you have to scroll down. Then click on Factory Reset and click on Erase All Data. Now click on Factory Reset and you have to wait for 10 seconds. And now click Next. Now you have to wait for 10 seconds again. And click OK. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings, and I have to do phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.